Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Ford Edge. So if you guys have a Ford Edge third generation guys, and you guys trying to remove and replace rear tail light bulb, let's say rear turn signal bulb, stop light bulb or tail light bulb, stay with us guys and we'll explain how to do that. We'll demonstrate on one side, okay, on the right side, but the left side will be exactly identical procedure guys. Quick introduction, every single car we get at the shop, including this generation, third generation Ford Edge from year 2007 to 2014, we'll be making at least 200 videos. Why guys? Simply because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now if you guys need to buy replacement bulbs, car parts, tools, anything like that, we'll have the links in the description of the video below for your convenience guys. What we have now here, we have a 2009 Ford Edge that we'll demonstrate on. So, turn signal bulb. Okay, let's do the right turn signal guys now. Okay, right turn signal, you can see it's this bulb right here. Okay, let's do the brake light now. Brake, okay, that same bulb. Okay, what else guys? Okay, let's do tail lights. If we have the headlights on, okay, that same bulb plus one little bitty bulb right there. Okay, these two. Now, let's do guys reverse, okay? Reverse is the top bulb here. So knowing all the bulbs now, okay, we're going to go ahead guys, turn the car off and we'll show you guys how to remove and replace them. Not very complicated. All you will have to do, you need to open the trunk of your Ford Edge guys. Open the trunk and now right here we have two bolts that we need to guys, okay, remove with 8mm socket. That screwdriver is simply amazing. We'll have the link in the description of the video below, check it out. Okay, remove two screws. Now guys, you have two clips here. You have to be extremely careful how you remove the tail light because you can crack it. Get a plastic panel remover tool, get underneath and pry forward. Do not pry too much on that plastic here because you can crack it guys. Now, the bulbs. Okay, let's start guys with the brake light, tail light, okay, and rear turn signal light bulb. It's this big thing here. Turn counterclockwise, it even says remove here, pull it out. Now grab the bulb, careful not to break in your hands, and pull it out guys. This one is stuck a little bit. We'll have the links in the description of the video below guys and you can see where you can buy them from and all that stuff. This is the bulb guys. When you're ready to install it, put it in guys, okay, push it in all the way and you need to find the slots, goes only one way, and install it. Now this right here is a tail light bulb, the one when you the park light bulb. So this is a little bitty bulb. We'll have the link again in the description of the video below. Just grab and pull that one out as well. Now the only other bulb that we have left guys, okay, we just have one more and this is the one for reverse guys. Turn counterclockwise, pull it out. This is the bulb right here. Those will not go out too often guys. So that's it guys, you can see, and when you're ready, okay, all we have to do, go ahead guys, okay, push the tail light in, okay, to make sure that it goes in these guides here, push it in and install the two screws. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching guys, please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.